You catch his eye from across the room. You catch his eye. You think, oh my, he's got quite the beard, oh my. And now you want to, but you can't look away. His beard is black and bushy with a hint of grey. And now you find yourself walking his way. Hey, hey, you should consider having sex with a bearded man. You get these feelings that you can't understand. Sex with a bearded man. You think you can, but you can. Don't try to fight, just get freaky with a beard tonight. Don't be scared. His beard is soft to the touch. Don't be scared. You get some hair in your mouth when you kiss him. You get some hair. You've never been with a man like this before, but each time you look at that beard, you want it more. And now he's asking you, my place or yours. Good Lord, you are about to have sex with a bearded man. He rubs his bristles on your mammary glands. With a bearded man. This wasn't part of the plan. Don't try to fight, just get freaky with a beard tonight. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's got some food stuck in his beard, but you don't care. You say, rub that beard on me everywhere. Now it appears you're having sex with a bearded man. Because he fingers up a watering can. Sex with a bearded man. Just take your life in your hands and ride that bearded man. Between your thighs.